If you want to remove the passcode or PIN from your iPhone, this step-by-step guide will show you how to turn off iPhone password and Face ID easily. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode to continue. Now, if you're using Face ID, you can disable it by turning off iPhone unlock, but in my iPhone it does not show. Or you can tap on Reset Face ID to remove it completely. This step is optional if you only want to remove the passcode. Next, scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode Off. You'll see a warning explaining that some features like Apple Pay and saved passwords may be affected. If you still want to continue, then enter your Apple ID password to confirm. And that's it. Your iPhone passcode will be removed and you won't need a password or PIN to unlock your device anymore. So yeah, that's how you can turn off passcode on iPhone quickly and easily.